Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for how to kill a kit with style, and this will be for my August. So I have these photos left of when I went to Tybee Island, and as you can tell there's not that many, but there's quite a bit. So my focus for the month of August in general for how to kill a kit with style is going to use this collection that was done in April of 2022 from the Hip Kit Club. But in general, since this is going to go up in August, you are going to see me try to knock out throughout all of my videos is these photos, because I want to get caught up because back to school is starting for KJ and I want to get her summer stuff done and out of the way. So my focus is going to be just my layouts in general is going to be all of these, plus how to kill a kit with style. I'm going to clean up this trip that I made. So I would say I'd probably have, I'm going to try to do once a week. Since school is starting, let's see how I do. Otherwise, I'll roll this into September and it'll be an August-September one. But I'm going to try my best to get most of these knocked out because I can see about, I would say that's probably going to be a layout. These are going to be a layout. This may be a double page spread. I'm thinking a double page spread. That's going to be by, no, those two go together, and then that's going to be by itself. So I have a feeling that this is going to be a double page spread just because it's while I was on top, and then, you know, it's the lighthouse that's down there. The kids just being crazy because that's just how they are. That's how they roll. And then these two went together because it was one of my foods. I love going into this place, so I did that. And then just KJ and I just being KJ and I. So I think that that's what it's going to be for photos wise. So with that being said, I feel that this is going to be a good collection. So I have some of these fabric die cuts left. I have both of the die cuts left. So that's like what's left of that part of it. I have quite a bit of this left. I have all of these left. I keep trying to use them and then I just don't. I have quite a bit of those left, not as much. All the butterflies are gone. I have used this collection before, so I have used this here, and then these. So I'm gonna put right now. You're gonna see me. I'm gonna put both of these together. Now this was their like April Easter-ish collection, so there are some like Easter type stuff like that, but I can definitely make that look not Easter-ish just because of the photos and whatnot. So these two are going to go together as long as they get in there. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay. So that way I only have one for that. And then here is the papers. So that's what both of those look like. And then that's the backs of those. See, you can tell I have used it. So there is those two. Here are the tags. Oh, I can switch that. There's the green. And then there's the backs of those. And then there's the back of that one, those two. And then I only have one of this left because I've already used this. And there's the backs of those. And then I think, oh, I have one more. But I only used this, I've used this already. And then the backs of that one. So that is the theme for this month for August. Make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below. Also, it is August 1, so I'm just going to put in my plug. I am starting a class for my sketchbook in September, and it is for sale as a bundle. You get the sketchbook in the class. It runs for 10 weeks. It's a video once a week with a bunch of different stuff, and it's me going live explaining why I do what I do. And you get the sketchbook and you get to play along, but you get to do your own type of layout. You get to pick your collections that you want to use, all of that fun stuff. All of that will be linked down below. I'm super duper 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 excited for that. I hope that you go check out all the ladies. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.